Okay, everybody, the temperatures are definitely heating up. You know, we're talking in the 80s for pretty much the rest of the week, and that means many of you are going to be reaching to turn on your AC unit, and you want to make sure that when you do, that it's operating properly. And that's why we have Varen Larson with Big Mountain Heating and Air here joining us right now. He's going to make sure that not only is your system functioning properly and that it turns on, but also that you're saving money and that you're also doing this safely, that everything's operating safely. So, Varen, what is the #1 leading cause, though, of a system breakdown? Because you know someone's going to go to turn on their AC unit, and it's not going to work.
Every year.
Yeah,
many hundreds and hundreds in the area. It's dirt, to answer your question. We try to stop it with this. You know, it's a common filter, throwaway filter. Here's an example of what happens with a filter. It can't filter everything, or else you might as well put a cardboard in front of your, you know, that stops everything. You know, this is just cinnamon. Okay. Okay, and you know.
So the fine stuff gets through.
And there's plenty of fine stuff, which I'll show you in just a minute here, that is circulating in your house. And when it gets into your system, well, this is a furnace, and you say, what's a furnace got to do with air conditioner? It's connected. This is what moves all of the air in your house when you turn on your furnace or your air conditioner. Either one. You can see here, this person had pets in the home.
Yes.
Okay, you can see how it can get into the system. That's moving the air through this system into this coil. You can't see this coil because it's hidden. It's got sheet metal around it.
But you can see the buildup, though, that happens within your system.
Right.
It gets
That's
caked
right.
on there.
There's the dirt that transfers into that, and this is what causes the biggest cause of air conditioner and furnace breakdown. This is what's connected to the air conditioner right here.
Okay. All right. So, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to understand, though, that a little bit builds up, and that causes issues, right? This builds up, that's going to restrict airflow. That can lead to some problems.
Right.
Okay. And help our viewers, though, understand how they can be better prepared to avoid a situation like this, especially as we head into the warmer seasons.
Proper service. Really it is. I got a little video that shows, you know, what kind of a special we offer to a limited number of people when they call into the program.
Okay, I would love to watch.
Thank you.
At Big Mountain Heating and Air, we found that most homeowners have a simple AC repair solution that could have easily been fixed before that breakdown. It's our unique 2-for-1 rejuvenation service. If you wait till it breaks down, most air conditioning contractors will have to charge you much more than usual just because of supply and demand. Don't procrastinate, folks. It's only $55 to the first 10 callers during this program for Big Mountain's unique 2-for-1 AC and furnace rejuvenation. That's 2 separate seasonal service visits, and Big Mountain guarantees your complete heating and air system against breakdown this summer. And your furnace next winter or the service will be free. Period. $55 to the first 10 callers during this program. Details at bigmountainair.com or just call 916-228-6945.
Okay, Varen, so help us understand a little further, though, what can lead to the breakdown when it comes to the condition of the system? How can that lead to more issues?
Well, you know, I've said it before, the average heating and air conditioning system moves more dirt in your house than the average vacuum cleaner does. This is, you know, this is a view of when the sun comes in. You can't see that unless, you know, it gets caught in a sun ray. That's what's in your house, and that's moving through your system. I mentioned earlier over at the furnace there, if you got dogs or cats, they're in your ductwork, if you will, or in the furnace, or in the air conditioning coil. Biggest cause of some of the allergy problems that people have.
Which a lot of people are suffering from currently.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's a huge deal. It's starting out right now. This is your air conditioner. It's a typical air conditioner outside. This has had the metal removed from the outside of it. This will cause breakdown. We do what's called a chemical clean on the system. It's included in that service for only $55. This chemical clean actually etches the aluminum, brings it back to almost brand new, allowing the system to be able to remove the heat in your house quicker. The unit turns off quicker. You'll save more money than the cost of the service.
And that also adds to the longevity of your system too.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah.
Absolutely. And it's a 2-season visit. We're going to come out now in the summer to get you ready for the air conditioning. We're going to be back in fall for free for the one-time cost of only $55.
And you mentioned earlier, too, this two-time service is very important because your systems work together.
That's exactly right.
Yeah,
That's
you want
exactly
them
right.
operating well together to be the most efficient, to be safe, and also to keep us healthy, too. We mentioned at the top of the show you have a special offer. You talked about your services, but you also did mention that you only offer this to 10 people. Why only 10 people?
It's because it's a comprehensive service. It's how we gain customers for life. We have to limit it to that number because actually it costs us more than the $55, but we do that to gain you as a customer for life when you see the service that we offer. And then we guarantee your system against breakdown all year long, or the service is free. Give us a call at that number and be one of the first 10 callers. 368, it's on the screen.
The number right there on the screen,
Right.
916-378-4664. Make sure you check it out, everybody, because that way you'll be saving money, you'll be comfortable, and also, you'll be ensuring the best health of your family as you spend more time indoors with the heat outside.
Thanks,
Thank you so
Melissa.
much, Farron.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.